Welcome! In this video, we will learn about the various ways to get help and support when working with MS Maestro, as well as how to access Schrödinger's educational content. MS Maestro comes with extensive reference documentation. You can access it either directly from the web, from the Help menu, or from the question mark icon in the bottom right corner of most tools and panels, which directly leads you to the respective help page in the documentation. From the button next to the Favorites toolbar, you can access the Maestro Assistant, Schrödinger's large language model-powered documentation assistant. It is designed to help find information about Schrödinger software quickly. MS Maestro comes with a fairly comprehensive tutorial collection covering many of the main workflows available. They provide background information and step-by-step instructions. To access tutorials, either go to the Help menu, go back to the reference documentation, or directly find tutorials relevant to specific panels from the question mark icon. Besides these free learning resources, Schrödinger offers self-paced and asynchronous online courses on a variety of topics in materials research. The courses come with access to the Schrödinger software. You can visit the Schrödinger online learning portal to learn more. MS Maestro also comes with an extensive knowledge base, which can be accessed via the Help menu or directly via the web. The knowledge base has tips and discussions regarding commonly occurring questions. Lastly, you can speak directly with someone on our technical support team by going to Help, Contact Support in MS Maestro, or contacting help at Schrödinger.com directly. Our technical support scientists will be in touch with you as soon as possible. If you haven't done so already, you should request a Schrödinger web account, which will ensure that you have access to all of the aforementioned materials. You should now be comfortable with finding help and accessing Schrödinger's educational content.